Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video this evening. It means a lot to me that you're taking time your day to watch what I got going on. As you can see, I have the Kiko goats behind me, and they are on the verge of kidding. There's at least 3 of them that I'm pretty positive. 2 of them for sure have their full milk in. I'm thinking any day now they're getting ready to have their kids. The other 3 don't. Their milk's not in as much as the other ones. If they're coming in a little bit, I don't know. They may have missed a cycle, or they could just be pregnant and their milk hasn't come in yet. But I know 2 for sure are on the verge of popping. So what I'm doing today, I'm going to be fixing some of the shelters. This shelter is getting ready to come down. I got to fix it. We are doing some upgrades to the farmhouse. Around the farmhouse, you can see the farmhouse back there behind me. We're adding on a big section on the back side. I'm going to walk over there and show you guys that. But first, we're going to be fixing these shelters. I'll show you that. I'll be back in just a minute and talk to you a little bit about what we got going on and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we have some bad weather rolling in. Actually, the next 3 days, a chance of snow on Saturday. So I have to get these shelters done. I'm going to get them done. I got that one over there is already finished. Now I'm going to finish buttoning up this one. And if I don't get this done now, I'm probably not going to get it done. And the kids are coming any day now, so let's get this done. Okay, so you can see I got the shelters dried and I got them fixed. I had the tin off those because of the I had them during the summer. I had a cow in here and it was too hot in there for them, so I took the sides off and just gave them a shelter above. And then that shelter, it just, I had a ram named Steve and he just messed it up big time. So I reinforced it. It was a 2x4 and that shelter is going to be good for now. But the thing is, the update I'm doing is going to make all this stuff what you call obsolete. I won't be needing this stuff. I'll probably leave at least one shelter out here just for when they're grazing and roaming around out here. But let's walk over there and I'll show you guys the upgrade I'm doing to the farmhouse. She is starting to kind of just wander off by herself. I would not be surprised if she has her baby tonight or in the morning. When I get off work tomorrow, I'm guessing she's probably, good chance she's gonna have a kid. on the ground. And I used to raise sheep. Now I got these Kiko goats, and I always look for the mucus plug coming out or sticking out, about to come out. I don't see it on her yet, but she's kind of just roaming off by herself doing her own thing, and that's like the first sign, besides the milk coming in, she's gonna have a kid. Okay, so I got all the goats and chickens and all that fed, water, ready to go, and let's walk over here and I'll show you the update. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know what I'm talking about, but if you're new to the channel, you don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna walk over here and show you. I actually am putting an add-on as far as a carport and a 30 by 40 pole barn. And they got the poles set, so we'll walk over here and I'll show. I haven't given you guys an update on all the poles set yet, and I'll show you some of the material I got to start working on it, and just give you a little update on it. So you can see, if it's not too dark, starting to get dark on me, they have all the poles set, perfectly aligned and ready to start, for me to start framing it up and building it. Let's look over here. Got them all. So the plan is, I could park, if I want to park my van underneath here, if I want to park my pickup truck also I can, and I could just pull trailers in here, park them, just whatever I need to do. I'll have plenty of room to do it in this. It's actually like 60 by 20 carport. So all the poles are set and ready to go. Let's walk over here to the actual pole barn itself. This is where the carport ends right here and goes that way, and the barn begins right here. And it's 30 wide by 40 long. So you can see they did a really good job. I've hugged it all over. I mean, to me, it looks perfectly square. We'll find out once I stick up all the boards and everything. But I went last night and got some of the lumber for the pole barn, and I'll show you guys that right there. I'm doing they're 2x10s, and they're going to go up along the top up here, all the way around on the outside and on the inside. Because I'm going to order trusses for the barn itself, and that will sit. The trusses will sit on the 2x10s. So I didn't get enough to like actually finish it, the whole thing. I got enough to do all the way around, and then because I didn't want to overload my truck. I know that probably wasn't an overload, but it was dark and I didn't want to mess with it, getting too much. And this stuff's expensive. Okay, so that's the update on the farmhouse upgrade. This is a big upgrade for us. We've been needing this barn for our animals for a while now. We're just now able to get the funds to start it, and it's going to be one of those, as I get the money gathered up to do it, that's how we're going to do it. I don't have the money stored up right now just to finish the whole thing, but the plan is to do the barn first. I'm going to get all the lumber. The plan is to get all the 2x10s all the way around it, the 2x4s all the way around it, and then do the carport the same way, so these poles don't start to twist on me. So as soon as I do all of that, then I can start putting the roof on it. So that's the plan. That's the update for now. We also have the chicken house build in the works. So I mean, I'm busy. I work a full-time job, like I've told you guys before. If you're new here, I don't do YouTube full-time, but I do the farm life full-time, raising kids and working. So this is just this is going to be an ongoing project that I hope I get done sooner than later. So you guys will be following along with me if you're interested in this stuff. The chicken house will definitely be done before this. I've been getting like, yo, you need to hurry up on that chicken house. Well, I was going to finish it this weekend because my anchors came in. I got the roof for it. I got the side. I got everything ready, everything in to finish the chicken house. But it's calling for bad weather the next 3 days. So I might get 1 day out of the next 4 to work on it. And if I do, I literally should get done with it. It shouldn't take a half a day to finish this thing. I mean, I already got it all framed up and ready to go. I'll go ahead and just, if you haven't seen it yet, I'll walk over there and show you guys. But it's basically just needs the siding and the roof on it, and we're done. So let's check it out real quick since I got you guys on here. There it is. We're ready to roll. All I gotta do is, like I said, just put the siding, which I got all the material ready to go. It just needs to be put on there, and that wouldn't take a morning to finish that up. So this is definitely priority as far as the next project to get done. And as soon as the chicken coop gets done, we get to work on all this. This is gonna be a fun, hard project. Okay, so that's all I got for you guys today. I'll keep you updated on the goats. Like I said, they should be kidding any day now. That's pretty exciting. I've never had baby kids, goat kids on the farm before. I've raised sheep for many years, and we love lambing season, and this is getting ready to be the kid season, the kidding season for the Kiko goats. So if that's something you guys are interested in, just keep an eye out for that because it's coming. I got the shelters ready. They already got hay in them, ready to go. I do have another bale of straw I'll probably put in there tomorrow or the next day if I think it needs it. Right now I think they're good to go. They got plenty of feed, water, and they should be comfortable. Usually what I do, I used to do with my sheep is I would put them in those kidding, I call them kidding, they're lambing jugs, but I'm not going to because I did last year. I put 2 together and bad things happened to the lambs. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to let the goats have the kids anywhere they want, out in the field and all that. So then if I see they're starting to have a little bit of trouble, first year mamas, then I can pull them. I could pull them and get them inside the jugs by themselves. So we're kind of just going to play that by ear and just kind of see how it goes. So if that's something you guys are interested in, like I said, just follow along with it because it's coming any day now, any day. So guys, thanks so much for watching the channel. Hope you guys liked today's video, a little update of the farmhouse add-on. Because that's what it is. It's right next to the house. I mean, this is a lot bigger add-on than I thought, but we're gonna love it. I cannot wait to get it finished. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the support you give us. We love you guys. And if you like this video, like always, smash that like button for me if you would. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.